Hello guys. If you are tired of running out of Marvel Snap credits or boosters, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to get unlimited credits. Whether you're using an iPhone, Android, or tablet, these methods will work for everyone. So let's start getting them. First, go to this website, strategize.ga. Then search for Marvel Snap. This is the tool that we are using to claim the credits. So, we will type our game username, as you see on my game. Then we'll select a device. For me, I will select an Android. After that, click Connect. Now it says to choose the amount we want. I will select 2,500 credits. Then the boosters, here I will select 250 times 8, you can choose any pack. So it says that we have to unlock our items manually, so click unlock now. And it's gonna say that we're gonna have to complete 2 of these offers to get our credits. I will finish 2 of these and I will be back. So it seems that my credits have been unlocked after I complete the 2 offers. I will open the game and check them. This is the exact 2,500 that we chose earlier, and I can spend it without problems. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share it with your friends. That's it for this video.
Bye!